What's the meaning of constrict? Constrict. Constrict.
Constrict. Constrict. The word constrict means to narrow or limit something, often by applying pressure or restriction. When something is constricted, it becomes smaller, tighter, or less spacious. This can happen in a variety of contexts, such as when blood vessels constrict, causing reduced blood flow to an area of the body. Similarly, muscles can constrict, making movements more difficult and painful. In social situations, strict rules or expectations can constrict people's behavior and limit their freedom of expression. Overall, constrict refers to a constriction or reduction of some kind, often caused by external forces.